what is a feeler?
A feeler is just I want to keep my eye on the stock, but it hasn't shown me enough to gain a full position. Mm-hmm. So it's just like an entry position. So I'm always keeping my name on my eyes on the stock. It doesn't have to be big. It could be one share. There are rumors that Stevie Cohen takes one share feelers. I'm not sure how true it is, but that's what I heard. And it's just so you keep your name on the stock, and then you'll realize once you have one share of a stock, you're going to watch it so much more, and you're going to gain so much information on it. Like that AI, I traded the last 3 days, but today I put the most risk on because I had so much information on it from this week and last week. So that's the power of a feeler right there. You're just gaining more information on a stock. You want to see how it trades, and then it's going to lead to your ads and your entries, your big entries.